If an insurance policy states that it only pays for direct physical loss to covered property and does not provide coverage for matching undamaged materials, can an insurer still demand full replacement? Insured still demand full replacement of the roof if the replacement shingles available do not match the existing ones, even if the undamaged slopes are still functional. Let's say the state is Georgia and the carrier can be anyone. So all right, let's talk about matching. There's anti-matching clauses in every policy. We will not pay for we will not pay to replace the undamaged materials due to a mismatch between the damaged materials or the new materials used to replace the damaged materials and the undamaged materials, differences of color, shape, texture, discontinuation, obsolescence, things like that. We will not pay to replace the undamaged materials due to a mismatch between the new materials used to replace the damaged materials. This word used is important. That's why I said it so clearly and boldly. Used is past tense. It means that a repair was made. A proper repair was made, and now that a repair has been made, a reasonably viable repair has been made. Now there's a mismatch that exists. There's undamaged materials mixed with new materials. Those new materials don't match because of X, Y, and Z. Maybe it's color, oxidation, fading, texture, stylized differences, dimensional differences, obsolescence, discontinuation, any of these things. But up until a repair is actually made, none of this gets triggered because new materials haven't been used. So if they are going to say that the anti-matching clause is part of that, then the first argument you have to make to begin with is whether or not the repair can be made. If a reasonable repair can be made, then you'll get into the matching stuff. Up until that point, you're not going to get into matching stuff. If there is an exclusion for matching in the policy, and it isn't negated by state statute or case law or a bulletin or a directive or anything along those lines, you're not in a matching state, so to speak, and there's anti-matching clause, then the only way around that is either not to ever have that clause triggered